Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Kind Heart. Today I am here to share what I received in the Swapalooza swap that I did with Tamika over at Scrapdaworld. So this swap you could do a variety of different things, which makes it a Swapalooza. So you have no idea what you're going to get back in the swap. And surprisingly enough, we all did something different, everyone in my group. So that's kind of fun. So let me go right into it. So Anna from Anna's Creations, she did a favorite things, I think was her theme that she decided to go with. I'm going to set this aside a little bit so we can see here. I'm not exactly sure what every swap was. I can't remember all the swaps, but here's one. So this one comes with shrink plastic craft from Daiso. I think you can make like a keychain. There's some stickers, really cute bag. I just really like this bag. And this has a card or an envelope, which is cute. And inside this bag are some high chews, which are fun. Cute pen. There is some double-sided tape. Some flowers. These are like, I don't know if they're right, plastic pieces. And some Pocky, and so very, very cute. So, oh, and also some lead that go with the pencil. So this was the favorite things. I love these pom-poms. So favorite things, and the Pockies are delish. So let me just close this up and move on to the next thing. So this one is Louisa, KSB by Louisa. And I'm trying to remember which swap this was. This might also be favorite things as well. Where you just kind of put your favorite things in there. I'm thinking. Or no, stuffed pocket swap. She did the stuffed pocket. And I love how she filled it with this little plastic filler stuff. It's really cute. Okay, so this is a stuffed pocket. And really cute. It's got this cute clip. It's like a little bag. It says stuffed pocket. And so in here, we've got this cute, like an ornament, like a unicorn. And that, we've got a bow. Oh, this is really cute. Unicorn flowers. Oh, stick pins. How pretty those stick pins are. Gorgeous. Let's see what else we've got in here. Some cute little cards with an envelope. I've got some fun little pieces in here. And then we have some confetti. So very cute. That was the stuffed pocket. Let's go into more of what we've got here. Okay. Then we have this one, which I'm excited about. This is, she says, this is my favorite things for the Swapalooza. And this is from Julie. Here. And this is wrapped in like a bag. That's really fun. So in this bag, oh my gosh. So this bag, first of all, the bag is really super cool. Some beautiful lace. Look at all that lace. There's a lot on there too. So there's some beautiful lace in there. There's some trim. And then I love this. Look at this. This is German glass glitter. So it's diamond dust and this coronation. It's just absolutely beautiful. So there's that. Some really pretty butterflies. some like jewel pieces. These are nail art, but you could put these on a project. Here's a crown brooch, which can be used as decoration, and then it's really pretty purple lace. And then there is this LDRS die, which it kills me because look how giant the packaging is, and then look at how small the die is. So that's pretty hilarious to me. And then there is, I'll look at all this stuff more carefully when I get off camera, and then this really pretty card. So that is that one. Okay, and so now we're on to the last one that I got. And this is the turned up gift set one. And so she put it in this really, I love this pouch. Okay, so this one got this really pretty kind of a lace flower. And look how pretty these are. So this is like an embellishment, but it's got these kind of plastic charms on there. And then we've got these embossing folders from LDRS. And there's a tag. And then some really beautiful lace. And so that's what I got in the Swapalooza swap that I did over at Scrapdaworld. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy.